Olympic champion Shericka Jackson says both sprint world records are now in her sights following her personal best and world-leading performance in the 200 metres at the National Senior Championships on Sunday. More in our National Senior Championships review.
Despite promising something special, Shericka Jackson said even she didn't expect to run as fast as she did in the 200-metre final at the National Championships on Sunday. Jackson clocked a personal best 21.55 seconds, making her the third fastest in history over the distance, behind world record holder Florence Griffiths-Joyner and national record holder Elaine Thompson-Hero.
They're sent off. First time of asking. Shericka Jackson gets a blistering start. So too Shelley and Fraser-Pryce. These two based on the stagger away from the field. Now Elaine Thompson-Hero gets into her running. Shericka Jackson with the advantage. Look at Shelley and Fraser-Pryce come. But Shericka Jackson steps away. She dismisses a quality field. Look at the time. Oh! It's 21.56. Oh, wow. What a run that was from Shericka Jackson. She promised it. She delivers it here at the National Stadium. 21.55.
I think everybody's excited because you told me you made mistakes in the 100 and you ran 10.77. You told me you made mistakes in the 200 and you ran 21.55. That means that if you clean up everything, you're threatening both world records.
Definitely have 3 weeks.
In the meantime, reigning world 100-metre champion Shelley and Fraser-Pryce threw her sprint double status for the World Championships up in the air on Sunday. Fraser-Pryce finished third in the 200 in a season's best 22.14 seconds.
Tonight I came out here to just execute a solid race, and I think I was able to do that and give myself the opportunity to represent Jamaica in the 200 if I take up the challenge.
Earlier, Hansel Parchment, who won his second national title, said he has made several changes to his preparation this season in order for him to cop a first ever world title. Parchment won the sprint hurdles in 13.14 seconds, and joining him on the team are Rashid Broadbell 13.20 and Orlando Bennett 13.28.
Last year was a foundation kind of set up for me. I learned quite a bit about how to keep the injuries away. Little things that I would have been doing to shoot myself in the foot. I've fixed most of those things. I feel like I am getting a lot more rest, in terms of, sleeping more, being off the legs more, working on the small things, strength and so on. So, very thankful for this.
In the women's event, Brittany Anderson won her first national title, coming from behind to get by last year's champion Megan Tapper, who finished runner-up in 12.60, and Danielle Williams, 12.66.
I just keep replaying what coach said I should do in practice and bring it out in the work, bring it out on the track. So I feel like that's the most reason why I'm so consistent, and most importantly, God have been great to me. So yeah.